Floods in Bangladesh. A composition on floods in Bangladesh. Flood is one of the most common natural calamities in Bangladesh. In the rainy season, sometimes heavy rainfall overflows the bank of river and submerges many low-lying area of Bangladesh. This is called flood. Again, water from the upstream may cause flood. It occurs almost every year in Bangladesh. It causes great havoc to millions of people. Though floods occur every year in Bangladesh, sometimes it takes terrible shape. The recent serious floods occurred in 1985, 1988, 1991, and 1996 and 1999. These terrible floods affected millions of people and engulfed most areas of the country, and the miseries of the people knew no bound. The damages caused by floods are beyond description. It destroys crops, houses, and many other valuable things. Cattle die because they do not get food. They lose their shed during flood. People suffer very much. La- Railway lines and roads go underwater. Transportation system is hampered seriously. The most dangerous things are different kinds of diseases which attack the affected people. Diarrhea, cholera, typhoid, and dysentery are the main causes during floods. Sometimes mass death occurs for these diseases. Flood has one good effect. It makes soil fertile by supplying alluvial soil. Crops grow in plenty next year after the flood. Another good side of flood is volunteer services of the students and many charitable organizations. The members of the organizations collect foods, clothes, medicine, and distribute them among the affected people. It is time we take preventive steps to reduce the loss of flood. More and more shelters for the affected people should be built. The concerned authorities should develop better systems for irrigation, transportation, and embankments too.